How to enable language translation on Facebook post. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can easily enable language translation feature so you can effortlessly understand posts written in different languages. If you've ever come across a Facebook post in a language that you don't understand, it can be quite frustrating. But there is a good news as Facebook offers you a built-in translation features. So I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to enable it. First thing first, open up your Facebook and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you do so, all you have to do now is tap on the menu icon at the top right corner. Then scroll down until you see settings and privacy, and then tap on the settings menu. Once you find the settings, scroll down until you find language and region. Just tap on it. And here you'll see this option right here, language in which you'd like to have your post translated to. So by default, it's in English. You can set this to any of these available languages. And once you have done that, all of the posts that you see in a different language will be translated to English. Once you set it up, here's how it works. So whenever you see a post in a different language that you have not listed it on your language, you will see an option that says see translation that will appear right below the post. So for example, here is a post in Spanish, and here you will have an option to, as you can see, it has directly translated the post. So if you want to see the original, here it is. And if you want to see the translated version, you can hide original or see the only translated version. So once you see this, you will have, and as you can see, all of these posts have been automatically translated. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.